Welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. This isn't anything particular. There ain't a build video or nothing. I took some pictures of this thing here that I built, and there's explanation behind it. I can lift an engine with no problem, but here recently I had hurt my lower back, and so therefore I built this wobbly thing to help lift engines up, and I will show you how it works here in a minute. A lot of other stuff going on to why I haven't been able to post lately. Also, if you look at my attire here, it's cold today. 70 degrees yesterday, cold today. Go figure. But yeah, I'm going to just show you a couple little odds and ends here, and cut back in here in just a minute. So this is my makeshift engine lift, gravity crane, whatever you want to call it. I actually just set this engine down on this mower yesterday. Like I said in an earlier video, I'm not doing a build video about this, but this is how easy it works. You use your ratchet strap to raise it, and if you want to lower it down, what I've figured out to do to keep it from slamming is just grab it gently and kind of release your ratchet strap. So that makes life a little bit easier on my behalf. Takes a lot of pressure off of me. So yeah, it's actually a nice little setup to have. I'll probably get a lot of use out of it. I'd like to build one out of steel where it's all welded. This is only steel piece up here on the top. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Make it where you can. Don't shake the camera to death. Yeah, but yeah, this is only steel piece, and this right here is something that was dug out of Arbor Freight dumpsters some years ago. I had two pieces, and one of them I cut up to use as a bumper for a project, and then it's currently on my Cub Cadet for my winch. But this here is an old press, like a bearing press or whatever you want to call it. That's one of the legs for it. It works good for what I need it. Pretty good still. And I'm not complaining because it was free. So, other than that, yeah, that's it for that. That John Deere you see out there sitting underneath the yard machine hood, that hood goes to that motor I just showed in the previous video. Anyhow, that is something I've been stripping down and trying to sell the parts off of. I've had a few people interested, but nobody's really came by. I got the axle sitting in here, and then the hood. If you know anybody looking for parts for John Deere STX38, I do have the hood. It's in great shape, and I can show you guys that if you like. And then I do have the engine. I may not sell the engine. I think I'm going to put it on another project. I'm actually going to be building a off-road lawnmower soon. I just figure it's time with spring coming in and all that. Maybe use it as my mushroom hunting rig, getting out in the woods. So, which I need to get on it if I'm going to do it, because it is mushroom hunting season. So, anyways, I'll go ahead and show you that hood. So, here's the hood. I actually cleaned it up. It's a small hood for anybody that's looking. It's not going to fit a 176 or any of that. It's the smallest John Deere that I think they made. So it is an STX38. I got all the hinges and all that crap that comes with it. I want $100 for it. So anybody looking for one, I'll sell it to them. And I mean, if you pay shipping, I'll ship it to you. I am not complaining about that one bit. But you definitely have to send me a money order for the shipping and what I'm selling it for. So there's the transaxle for it. It's a 5-speed transaxle, and then the two tires underneath it are the two good tires that was left on the tractor. I will sell that as a complete set. you guys can have them for, I would say, I think I got 75 on the rear end. For $125, I would sell it, and all of it. And I know it looks dirty, but it's not that bad. It's a good rear end, so I hate to let it go for nothing. Uh, but if you pay shipping on that as well, I will gladly uh, crate it and ship it to you. So just like I said, it would just send me a money order, and that would take care of that. I'm not sure what shipping costs would be on something like that, but I could find out, I guess. So, um, anyways, this actually wasn't supposed to be a for sale video. It is just a little update of my engine lift rig here, and just a couple odds and ends of what's been going on. I haven't really been doing much of anything. I've either been working for somebody else, or I have been. Have a seat. Ooh. I have been just working out here in the garage, just trying to stay busy as much as possible. A lot going on, kind of with spring coming on and stuff. I'm hoping mower work picks up soon. Other than that, not a lot else going on. I don't have a running vehicle right now. Fuel pump's out in my van. I'm waiting for the new fuel pump to come. My Ford Ranger, haven't done nothing with it. I'm actually hoping to be getting my buddy to take it to his garage so we can pull the transmission and get that clutch replaced. I need it running badly because it's hard to haul mowers in a minivan or, with my hands at this moment. So anyways, links down below for my Garage Camp group on Facebook. Click it, add yourself to it. I'll approve you automatically, or within the hour at least when I get the notification. Patreon.com, you can go there to support my channel. Also, there's my Instagram. You're welcome to follow me on that page. Page too. I show a lot of my stuff on there that you don't usually end up in a video, or is delayed on my videos. Also, I'd like to say thank you for everybody that has joined my Garage Camp group. Your support is great. I love seeing you guys' builds. Keep sharing them. Much appreciated. And trying to think what else. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.